the small ideas.
Jason and I are seriously considering getting a divorce.
And that is why we are going to go here.
It's Disneyland for adults.
You guys are gonna have a blast.
Couples Retreat starring Vince Vaughn, Malin Ackerman, and Jon Favreau took home top box office honors with sales of over $35 million this week. The movie, about vacation couples trying to own up to real-world problems, didn't have much competition this week, with movie Zombieland at number 2 with over $16 million in sales, and number 3 movie Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs selling $12 million.
My husband got caught in this.
On-screen couple Jason Bateman and Kristen Bell talk about their characters and the trip they embark on with their friends.
Friends come to your aid when you really, really need them, and our characters really need their friends for this, because the Pelican package is not cheap.
No, not at all.
And coming here really fixes a lot of problems.
One standout from the weekend was the independent movie Paranormal, which many are saying is the scariest movie they've ever seen. Despite playing in a minuscule amount of theaters, the film set box office records for a per-theater film and earned numbers good enough for number 5 at the box office. It took only $15,000 to make.
And force him to say whether or not we were gonna make it.
What would you say?
Put that in.
I'll holster this.
Let go.